Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you an easy step-by-step guide on how to monetize YouTube Shorts. And trust me, it's more easy and simple than persons make it out to be. They make it more complicated than it actually is. So the first thing you want to do, you want to come here. You need to follow me along this video in order to get it. So you need to follow me right now. So first thing first, we'll search up Amazon gift card giveaway shorts. After you've done that, now if you look here, when you go down, you could probably find one video that shows you the example that I'm trying to get over to you. What persons do, they would usually have like a link in the description of their shorts. So let me see if this one has it. You see, it looks very much intriguing, in a sense, like, okay, like if I actually do this, I'm actually going to get Amazon gift card, which in the possibility does exist, but then again, you're not very certain of getting it. But you can see they had like 170 views from that, and probably, let's say from 170 views, if 30 persons subscribe, because they're saying subscribe to the channel, like and comment, and you'll probably be entered into the giveaway. Now the chance of someone winning that is very slim. Now here is the fun part. What you want to do, you want to go ahead and create a short video just like this, right? Remember, it needs to be in portrait mode. It needs to be in portrait mode. So in order to create this, you can either use a editing software, or you can either go ahead and go to this website right here, which is called canva.com. When you go to canva.com, you type in mobile video. After you type in mobile video, now you want to get something that is very much something that you know to yourself personally you will click on. Okay, you can either do some research on it, and most likely I would more over click on something like this because it looks professional. It you know, it speaks to me, so I'm going to most likely click on that. After clicking on that, what I'm going to do now, I am going to click on here. When I click on here, I'm going to probably put in something like, oh, $1,000 giveaway. You could see Amazon, yes, $1,000 Amazon giveaway. Now what you want to do, you need to resize this. Amazon gift card. You want it to still look very much professional on a level. You could probably click the link below. Now you probably need to change the background as well to get something that is like, you know, in relation to what you're trying to post. Okay, now you need to make sure that it's something that you would click on. Now in order to get the link, what you're going to do, you're going to come over here to this website, which is called offervault.com. After you come over here to OfferVault, you'll probably type in something like Amazon gift card. When you click on Amazon gift card, what these people is actually doing, look at this, they're going to pay you at least $20 for the emails that you collect. Okay, now when you collect these emails, what they're going to do, they're going to pay you out. You can see this was last updated on the 30th of August 2021. What they're going to do, they're going to pay you to collect emails. So let's say you collect at least 4 emails or 5 emails. 5 emails could give you something up to $100. So just think about that. Think about it. Great. Now after that, what you're going to do, you're going to click on run offer. After you click on run offer, it will lead you to this private CPA ad network. You see, the ad networks are paying you in order to get emails. Now after you would have gotten the link, what you want to do is go to bit.ly. After you go to bit.ly, you want to click on create. You want to paste the link in there, and as you paste in the link there, you click on create, make it short. and you copy that and you paste it in the description of the video. And that is how easily you can make at least $100 to $400, right? Just collecting emails. It's that simple. Guys, stay tuned for more hacks, tricks on how to get more money using YouTube Shorts. I'm going to be doing daily videos like these and uploading more often. So make sure to like, make sure to subscribe, and have post notifications turned on. And I'll see you guys in the next video.